Let's make high protein weight loss patties. One recipe, 5 meals. We will start with one whole butternut pumpkin, about 1.5 kilos. Peel it, cut it into small chunks and bake or air fry at 185 degrees until soft and tender. While that's cooking, let's get our base ready. In a large bowl, mash 5 cups of boiled chickpeas. Grate 500 grams of tofu and mix it in. If you like this recipe, kindly subscribe to the channel. It's free and wonderful way to support us. Next, grate 1 fresh beetroot and finally chop 4 to 5 green chilies. Now add 2.5 cups of cooked quinoa and 1 cup of baby peas. By now the pumpkin is ready. Mash it well and add it into the bowl. For flavor, we will add 2 teaspoons each of coriander, cumin and dried mango powder. Then 2 teaspoons each of ginger powder and garlic powder, and salt to taste. To bind everything together, add 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and drizzle of olive oil. Mix everything really well. Line a tray with baking paper, shape the mixture into patties, and brush lightly with oil. Air fry them for 25 minutes at 180 degrees until golden and crisp. This recipe makes around 35 patties. Once cooled, layer them in an airtight container with baking paper or paper towel in between and store in the freezer for up to a month. You can enjoy them in burgers, wraps, salads, salad bowls, as Tikki chaat, or simply as a snack with your favorite dip. One recipe, 5 healthy meals, high protein and freezer friendly.